Hey there, I hope you're doing well. Today is October the 4th, Friday. We're about 5 days, a week out from Hurricane Helene hitting Western North Carolina. It has been devastating. We are still at my house, still without power and without electricity. We expect that to be remedied over the next few weeks. It's become clear to me that people have been asking out and asking me what to do. Well, the first thing is, unless you are somehow involved in a grading business or somewhere that you can help with roads or that you can cut trees, we've got to take care of the basics first. We got to get the roads cleared so that the power companies doing a fantastic job. A lot of power is coming back on, and then once we get the power back on, we can then the municipalities will get the water back on, and we'll be able to then focus on business. So for now, if you're affected, then know that we're out here. We have resources. We have connections at the city, the connections with government. We have connections with other business. We have connections with a lot of business owners. We have a lot of clients that are not affected that want to help. So if you have specific needs, please reach out to me. Give me a call, text me, respond to this email if you can, whatever it is, to let us know how we can be of service. We are beginning to do weekly meetings. If you'd be interested in joining for that to help us with your business, then let me know. We can give you the link to that. Those will be Tuesdays at 10:30. They'll go 10:30 to 12 for Tuesdays for the foreseeable future, with the purpose of helping people get their businesses back going, get them going on, and the ones that are already going, help them even help more. If you're out of town and you're looking for help, great. We'd love to help. Right now, we need to get the basic services taking place before a lot of that can be useful. This is going to be a long recovery. But we're here. We've been working all week. We've been coaching. We've been helping people. We've been answering the phone, and we're ready. We will be doing a webinar on, how to deal with this, just like we did in COVID, probably in 3 or 4 weeks. But we're going to wait until basic services are pretty much taken care of, back up and running, and then we can focus on getting back to building businesses. So listen, we're here. If you need us, or if you want to talk to somebody, it doesn't, about anything, you just need to download. Our community is checked in safe, but that doesn't mean that everyone's okay. This is going to be a long road to recovery, and we're here. We want you to know we're available, and we would love to talk to you. So I've been talking to the people all week, just chatting. I think it helps them just to process. I know it's helping me, and we look forward to working with you and helping you continue to build back our communities, and continue to grow businesses and get back to where we were. And so we look forward to talking to you soon. Remember, I'm serious. Call me, text me, call Jason, call Beth, whoever. We're here. We're ready to assist. Hey, and until next time, all the best.